One of the last things I need to do to this tractor before I get it washed and greased up and taken back is add a chain holder. This also doesn't have any kind of toolbox holder on it, so I'm kind of trying to maybe do both those things. So I went ahead and ordered a couple of different containers. Orange ammo can is what these were all under, and I got two different sizes of the same brand. These are inexpensive. I think this was like $9 and this was 14. This one was like 27. It's a little bit nicer, smaller, but it's a little bit nicer built. The mechanisms are a little better, and the seal on the inside is a little nicer. I think it looks the best of all three of these, and it is the right size in this specific application. So after a whole lot of check fitting, I've decided we're going to go ahead and mount it in this location here. We're going to build a little frame, a little out of angle iron that it'll sit inside of. I'm going to get the frame going, and then hopefully I'll figure out how I'm going to mount it to the frame. I'd like it to be able to be removed and the frame stay in place, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. We're going like this. basically